Hey, what's up, you guys? We outside chilling. It's Mirsky, your favorite psychic life coach, back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. I don't know what that is. Thumbs up, smack the bell, subscribe, so you can get notified when I post a video. Also, like, share, and comment below. And let's just get into this video. Guys, basically in this video, I want to talk about trusting in the creation process. Trusting in how everything is aligning itself. You know what I mean? There are things that are happening behind the scenes that we aren't even too clearly sure about that is going on behind the scenes. And I've been shown this numerous amounts of times by just working with certain energies that, I learned to tap into within myself, my crown and my third eye that helps you see and align to higher vibrations and to higher realms and dimensions. So with this comes, seeing in different perspectives and different sources of energy and how you are tapping into these energies to navigate throughout your physical reality. You probably hear those crickets, but that's cool too. So in this trusting in the creation process, trust and know that anything that you've been asking for, oh, and it's an orange butterfly. Know that anything that you've been asking for, that you've been praying for, that you've been manifesting, whatever it is here for you. Everything just has to align out to then make its way into your physical realm. There are things that are happening and aligning within other people's lives to then get to yours. You have to remember that. We are all here existing together, co-creating together. Everybody has their own time for things to happen. Wait for yours to happen. Trust that it's going to happen. Be patient. Patience is everything. Patience is a virtue. When you allow yourself to have faith, you then create patience. Or the other way around. When you have patience, you then allow yourself to have faith. And you trust, what the divine has for you. Because if you've been manifesting something, if you've been trying to create something in your reality and you've been thinking, why is it taking so long? Well, that's why, because you're thinking that it's taking too long instead of just accessing higher dimensional frequencies. When you're in a higher realm, things create itself effortlessly. When you're at a higher frequency, a higher dimensional level of thoughts, because your thoughts are the dimensions that you keep yourself in. Your consciousness, your awareness, that is the level of which you are living at. If you are living at a lower frequency, thought patterns, whatever it may be that you're doing in your physical reality, that is the level or dimension that you are living in and that you are creating from. If you are creating from a level of force, things will seem like it's taking forever to manifest itself. And it doesn't even necessarily have to be manifesting. It can just be anything, your state or level of peace. Whatever it is that you are creating within inside of yourself or outside within the physical reality, it all starts from within first. If you cannot access these things from within, which you can, if you feel like you cannot access these things from within, then you cannot see them manifest themselves outside of you. Which actually, there's nothing outside of you. All of this shit is within you. Everything is within you. You just have to first become consciously aware of that to then structure that within your physical realm. None of this is outside of you. Remember that. But I do love you guys, and I hope this message was very enlightening to some of you guys. I know it was. That was just a message that I got that I needed to share with the collective. I know it was pretty short, but I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. If you'd like to check anything down in the description box below, you can. Peace.